Have you ever wondered if accounting is the right career path for you? In this video, we are going to dive into 3 reasons why accounting is a great career choice. Hi guys, my name is Kelly. I've been working in accounting for over 10 years now. I have worked for multiple Fortune 500 companies, and I am currently a financial reporting manager. On this channel, we talk about all things accounting, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. The first reason why accounting is a really good career choice is because it is extremely lucrative. If you are interested in earning over $100,000 per year as your base salary, this is definitely a career where you can do that. On average, the starting salary for an entry-level accounting position, typically known as a staff accountant, is about $70,000 per year. And then after the staff accounting position, there is a senior accountant. Typically, senior accountants can make anywhere between $80,000 to $100,000 per year. And then after a senior accountant would be an accounting manager. Accounting manager salaries typically start at $100,000 per year, but can go up to $140,000 per year, depending on the amount of experience that individual has. In addition, this does not take into consideration promotional opportunities. After an accounting manager, you can definitely get promoted to a senior accounting manager, a director of accounting, a senior director of accounting, an assistant controller, chief accounting officer, CFO. There are so many promotional opportunities for accountants. And obviously, as you continue to get promoted in accounting, your salary is only going to increase with each promotion. All the salaries mentioned are only base salaries. They do not take into consideration any annual bonuses. Oftentimes, companies do offer accountants annual bonuses to remain competitive with other companies. Typically, an annual bonus ranges anywhere between 10% to 15%, depending on the company. So, for example, let's say that you are earning $120,000 salary. When you take into consideration your annual bonus, that would provide you an additional $12,000 per year as an annual bonus, making your total compensation, excluding benefits like health, insurance, etc., but your total compensation would then be $120,000 plus your $12,000 annual bonus, giving you a total of $132,000 per year. So as you can see, if you want to earn over $100,000 per year, you can definitely, and dare I say, easily do that in accounting. The second reason why accounting is a really great career choice is there is a ton of job security and stability. All companies need accountants. And if for whatever reason you want to look for a new accounting position outside of your current company, there is definitely a lot of positions out there. Side note, if you ever are looking for an accounting position, whether you are looking for your first position in accounting, or if you are looking for an accounting position outside of your current company, I do highly recommend working with a recruiter from LinkedIn. The benefits of working with recruiters are 1, working with a recruiter is free to you, and then 2, recruiters are very familiar with the job market and current accounting landscape in your area. Typically, recruiters do have a relationship with the hiring managers at various companies, so they are very familiar with the company culture, the team culture, and also they will know the salary that various positions are hiring at. The third reason why accounting is a really great career choice is because there's a ton of opportunities in accounting. Before we get into this though, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and possibly subscribing to my channel. Like I briefly mentioned when we were talking about salaries, there are so many opportunities for advancement in accounting. Depending on where you want to take your career, you can either stay as a staff accountant, work your way up to an accounting manager, or even be the CFO for a company. In addition to promotional opportunities, there are also a ton of career opportunities. I think typically when someone thinks of an accountant, especially if they are in college, they are very familiar with an auditor or a tax accountant because those are some of the classes that you have to take as a student. However, there's actually a ton of different types of accountants that exist. For example, yes, there are auditors and tax accountants, but you also have cost accountants, general accountants, accountants that are more specialized, like fixed assets accountants, selling and general and administrative accountants, also known as SG&A. And then you have financial reporting, which is what I do, consolidations as well, which works a little bit more with the accounting systems and consolidating all the data into one system, especially when, for example, there are a bunch of different business units and they're all on different ledger systems, and those ledger systems have to be consolidated into one consolidations tool. In addition to the various types of accountants that you could be, accounting also is providing an extremely transferable skill set, which would be considered highly valuable outside of the accounting department as well. So, for example, I think you will love accounting, but let's say that you were interested in a department outside of accounting after experiencing accounting. Then you can use your accounting knowledge that you gained as an accountant, and you can use that going into another department such as finance. You could be a financial analyst, or you can go into investor relations, you can go into the treasury department, you can work more with IT and non-accounting systems. There are certainly a lot of departments that you would be able to use your accounting knowledge and transfer your skill set into those departments and be considered extremely valuable. For example, throughout my career, I started in accounting. I then became a financial analyst, and then I went into the treasury department. And even when I was in the accounting department, I did touch a bunch of different areas in accounting. I was a staff accountant, a cost accountant, a general accountant. I went into financial reporting, then I became a financial analyst, then I went into treasury. And then with all that experience, I actually decided that I really love financial reporting, and I left the treasury department and then moved back into accounting, specifically focused on financial reporting again. And now I'm currently a financial reporting manager. Okay, I did want to provide a bonus reason, which I do think is kind of obvious. In addition to the 3 reasons that I mentioned, the bonus reason is you will learn a ton in accounting, and I think learning is extremely important to being satisfied in your career. So the types of things that you'll be learning as an accountant, you will definitely be increasing your Excel skills because you use Excel all the time, so you'll gain a lot of formula knowledge. And then in addition to your Excel skills, you will also be learning how to use various accounting systems. And then in addition to your Excel skills and your computer knowledge working in accounting systems, you will also learn how to be a better accountant, which I think is great because I highly doubt you will ever be bored working as an accountant. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. Hope you guys have a great evening and see you in the next video.